This video is going to discuss the security requirement changes for implementing requisition routing. The first thing that we're going to talk about is when a user is not assigned the correct site, they won't be able to approve requisitions at that site, created at that site. So we'll be looking at the site of a user. And then we'll also look at the user security class and some other settings that are required for each of the users to use requisition routing.
Okay, so now I'm on this one. This is showing the user IDs. It's probably sorted by user IDs. I'm on user class up at the top left. I want to go to server user maintenance.
Yes.
So I click on that. It's still on sorted by user ID. We're just going to drag down to M. Click, there it is, right here. Click on it once.
Yep.
And now what?
Make sure you click change before you click on it. Now it's gonna resort.
Okay.
Okay, now you gotta slide
Oh,
down.
now I'm there.
Yeah, all right. So click on it.
Double.
Just one click. And okay, so now what we need to do is look at the stores site. It's 0 right now. Change that to 4.
So if it was, you mentioned that some users have more than one site assigned to them. So how do you do that then?
We would have to put a user security called PX site, and we would have to name each of the site up to 10 sites. But if a user needs to belong to more than 10 sites, we recommend to a district to provide them with this additional security of having access to all sites as an approver. It's either 10 or all.
The other thing you wanted us to do is added LS full only, purchasing pilot, and change year.
Yes.
Where do you do that?
You do that under class security on the tab, and click on it. There you go, and then you go to user security, and then you go to that server username. Second, it's
Yeah.
second, yeah. Click on the drop down and look for that user.
And how does it know we're looking for District 12, or is it looking through all of them?
It's looking through all of them.
Security is not by district, huh?
No. Okay, there.
How did she get RT entry?
It's there per service request 133757. There must have been a security form submitted on her behalf. And this was during the access point years because you could see SR.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and edit this, change it. And does everybody need RT entry that wants to create a requisition?
Yes, that wanted to have ability to enter a requisition, they need that parameter. Now we need to apply a class security. Okay, so click on the tab user/class on the top to the left, yes. And then user class assignment on all the way to the right side tab. And then select the username from the drop down under GUI user. There you go. And now you would have to add 2 classes. One is if you click on the plus sign, yeah, you would just go under class, select else pool only. There you go. And we'll fix the numbering later, and then click on the plus sign again and select change year. The full word, not that one, that. Okay, here at this point, you want to change, you would need to put a number on change year, so because it doesn't allow 2 plus. Yeah, so change year should be the 0, else pool P only is the number 2, and purge pilot is the number 3. So it's in an order of priority.
Oh, okay. And it doesn't let me go anywhere. And I think it's because
so
I have
put that in, put that like any number. I usually put 99 and then I change it back 1. There you
like
go.
That?
Yes,
Oops,
3.
Sorry.
That's 3.
So it's change year is 1, else pool is 2, purchase whatever.
Yes,
Pilot is. Save it.
that's done.
And so now we've done the user class, the user security, and then the site.
The site.
We did those 3, and that's the only 3
Yeah.
that needs to be done.
That's correct.
Finally, we're going to set up requisition routing to be turned on for that entire district. To do that one, the first thing you need to do is change to the district that you want. We're going to look at a district that doesn't have it turned on, so 31 is going to be the one that we're looking for. Once you've selected the district, you're going to go ahead and go into the Finance menu, AP Purchasing, and go to Purchasing Master File, not Requisition Master File, Purchasing Master File. We're then going to go to the very bottom, which is the Purchase Order Requisition Control Set. And you can see that we don't have any records here. So we're going to click Add, and then we're going to type the fiscal year is 22, and active is yes. Click Save. Close this window, and now you can see the fiscal year and active flag have been added to this Purchase Requisition Control Set.